And we are back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a frame in Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to create a regular one and a frame with rounded corners. So let's start. We will open a new image. You can find that via the description link below. We'll just rename it and thus unlock it. Copy it by pressing Ctrl+J. We will work with the copy now, create a new layer on top of it. Activate the Rectangular Marquee tool and make a selection of the whole image. Now right click and select stroke. At the width you have to adjust it to the size of your image. 50 pixel works quite well here. We want to use a white color and make sure the location is inside. When you use center, the width is cut in half, and outside would place a stroke outside of your canvas. Blending mode normal and opacity 100% should do fine here. And then click on OK. We will rename our layer to frame. Deselect by pressing Ctrl+D. This is our first frame, it's a regular one with sharp corners. Let's create a frame with rounded corners. We will go back to our original image, make it visible, open a new layer and then select the rounded rectangle tool. Make sure you have shapes selected. The fill color doesn't really make a difference here. We don't want to have a stroke, and we can increase or decrease the radius. I'm going to choose 50 pixels here. And then just click on your layer and click on OK. Now press Ctrl+T to transform it, and we will drag the corners so that our rectangle fills the whole image. Now hold Alt and drag from top to bottom slightly. Once again hold Alt and drag from left to right. Press Enter if you're fine with your selection. We can now see the rounded corners. Activate our image layer, press Ctrl+J to copy it. Drag our image copy layer on top of our rounded rectangle, right click and then create clipping mask. We will make our original image invisible now. And we see that we need to create a background, but let me first adjust the size of our rounded rectangle slightly. Activate the paint bucket tool, use a white color and make the background white. Maybe I'll adjust the size of the rounded rectangle further, just press Ctrl+T. And then adjust it. And this is how you can create very easily a rounded rectangle frame in Photoshop. This was our first one with the sharp edges, and here's the second one with the rounded. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.